Welcome to Vicarious Indonesia. Well, I've been super busy all day. It's hot. We got a delivery of more metal. We're going to be putting on the rack hopefully today on the top. We're building the toolboxes here in the back. You can see down here we got to work around the springs. Kind of the wrong dimension, but we have.
Belum makan itu.
Yeah.
Ada nasinya habis.
Yeah. What can I do?
Belikanlah.
Dia beli.
Kasih lawangnya.
Hah?
Kasih lawangnya.
Setiap hari saya bayar, kenapa kamu tidak punya uang? Hah?
Bawa dia mau kerja.
Okay, we're getting this set up. I don't know how long it's going to take. Makan. Anyway, I gotta catch a motorcycle in a minute. Bisa?
Bisa.
Okay. They needed these clamps to put the metal in the right position, so now that I bought the clamps, we can get it going. All right. Progress, and I'm sorry guys, I'm really tired because I've been working hard all day, going around, running around, up late last night, and anyway, if I don't sound like I have energy, it's the truth. Alright, well I gotta go replace this metal. This is the wrong one, so I'm gonna get the good one. Because I picked up the wrong metal, I just came back to the metal shop today, and they're very kind here and helped me exchange it. So they're going to deliver it so we can get working. I just ordered a Maxim. I've already eaten, so I feel a little more energy, which is nice. Anyway, this is a crazy market here called Barlawasan, and anyway, it looks like the Ria Jaya goes by here, so I usually go the other direction. Anyway, they have two Metal Jaya. They have Metal Jaya Toko Chat, and then the Metal Jaya Besi. They sell two different stores here. Anyway, I will wait here for the Maxim. Maxim is coming to this store. So, anyway, I'll let you guys go. I'm going to look at my application, see where is my driver. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and troll.